Hello guys, welcome back again today to today's lesson. We are continuing with this basic music theory and practicals for the beginner. So as you see, today I'm going to talk about again tied notes. There's something we call tied notes in music. What we are doing right now, we are trying to learn the language of music, as in sight reading. When you're given a piece of music, you'll encounter all these marks, and you need to be able to know. You're given a piece of music to read. In the Western world, that's how our brothers do it. Guys are educated. They understand sight reading. They understand music notation. So I think it's important that we also develop this kind of understanding as musicians. As a musician, it's very important that you know how to sight read and interpret musical signs. Okay? Now, in that case, I'm going to talk about tied notes. What are tied notes, or what is a tie? Let me begin with this. A tie. Tied notes. So when you talk about tied knots, which means there's something that ties the knots. Eh? Something that ties the knots. So it's like maybe I have two pieces of markers like this, and then I get a rubber band or a small piece of rope or any thread, and then I bring them together and I tie them together. So in this case, we're going to talk about tied knots in music. So a tie is a curved line which connects notes on the same line or space. So you can have a piece of music like this. Now let's say this is our piece of music, and then these are our notes. I've used a wall note to demonstrate, and this line you're seeing here, this line that is attaching this note from here and connecting it to this other note in the next bar. Remember, this is our first bar and this is our second bar. So this thing that looks like a rope that is holding this sign, that is holding this note, is what we refer to as a tie. So when you encounter it in a piece of music, it means you're going to play here. You're going to play this note, which is F. Right now we are dealing with the bass clef. You're going to play this note on your left hand, which is on the F note, and you're going to hold it down for, the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to count the first bar, you end the first bar here, and then you connect to the second bar without playing this. So you play this note once and you hold down, and you hold, do not play again. So you play this note down and then you hold it down and you don't play again until this bar ends. So I hold this note down and then I play F, then I hold it down for another bar until the end, then I release the note. So that is what a tie does. A tie is a curved line which connects notes on the same line or space. Play the first note only and hold for the value of both notes. So you play only this note and you hold it for the value of the two notes, which is the value of the two notes. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, which will give us 8. So you hold this and you count for 8. You count 8. You do 8 counts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You hold it for 8 counts, and that is how a tie works. As simple as that, as brief as that. So that is a tie. Whenever you find a piece of music, that is what it does. You hold the note down here, and then you hold it even for the next bar, and then you add up counts, you count here, then you count there. You don't play again. So that is how tie works. So again, let's go and play this on the key. Play a piece of music called Although Tonight. Okay guys, I've spoken about tied notes, and I said a tie is a curved line which connects notes on the same line or space. And the rule is, whenever there's a tie, you play the first note only and you hold for the value of both notes. So I'm going to play on the keyboard and I demonstrate that. So if you can see here closely, there is something demonstrated here. They have used a whole note, and it's in the first bar there are 2 bars, so they have used the whole note, which counts 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one also counts 1, 2, 3, 4. So altogether, when you total them up, you get 8 counts. So like whenever you get this tie, a tie in this music notation, it means you're going to play the first note and then you hold it down for 4 counts, and then you're going to hold again for another 4 counts. So you hold for 2 bars. So this happens not only with this rhythm, it can happen with a quarter note, it can also happen on a half note, and all those other musical notes. So let me demonstrate on the keyboard with a tune called All Through the Night. So we begin with half note, dotted half. So I'm going to play, and then when it gets here, there's a tie. That's what I want to show. So the song starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, then 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see that when I reached here, I played for 2 bars. So I play once, and then this is a tie that ties these 2 notes together. So I just sound the keyboard only once when I get here. So let me go back again now and I play the whole song. 1, 2, 3, 4, then left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how a tie works. Whenever you see it, it's always found in this music, written staff notation, music notation. It will always be there. So you should be able to interpret, and you will understand that when you get there, that's what you do. So I think that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you. I'll see you again in another video.